Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is a day in my life. No, very chill. Today is Monday, March 22nd. I was about to say May, but today I just got home. I went to the grocery store and put up our things up already. So I want to show you real quick what I got. It's just a little bit of junk food and then like a body wash. So I just opened up right now the V8 Energy Pomegranate Blueberry. I love these things, so I got some of these. I have to drink one right now because I was exhausted. For some reason, I was exhausted, so I got some of those. I got me the soft soap, sweet honeysuckle and orange. We need a body wash because we're running out. And this one just reminds me of like spring, summer, and it's super cute too. It smells really good also, so I got this one. And then for snacks, I got me these peanut butter crackers, then some pistachios. Oh my god, I'm gonna be addicted. And then I got me some Pringles because I was craving Pringles over the weekend, and now I got some. So later I'm gonna like clean the pool out because I need to clean it and put some chemicals in it. So you'll see me do that. But we're gonna eat some pizza right now because we got Little Caesars. So we're gonna get to eating because your girl's starving. So my bed is a mess and I haven't made it. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And for my OOTD today, I'm wearing this cute little set that my mom gave me. It's a really cute bee, very aesthetically pleasing. I'm wearing this jacket I got from the thrift. I'm wearing the sheer basic top, and I'm just wearing some leggings, and then I'm wearing my Air Forces. That is my OOTD today. Go right into eating because your girl is starving. So let's go. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might few moments later. Blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside. Inches late. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. 2 hours. I'm just a lonely eternity later. Ooh, now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely booze. I cleaned the pool, but stuff from the tree is always getting in there, so I had to keep cleaning and stuff like that. So hopefully the pool can clear up probably in a few weeks because I want to get in already. So hey boos, oh my god, it is so late. I'm finally gonna take a shower. I'm exhausted. I was working on the pool. It was a lot of cleaning to do. Easter baskets ready, like helping doing family member ones. If y'all would like to see like a quick easy Easter basket for your someone special, thumbs up the video if you want me to do like a quick easy Easter basket. I can do that one for you. So I'm excited to take a shower. I'm exhausted, I'm tired. That was amazing. Like I was just eating like crazy because I was starving and plus it was so good. And then I've been watching like Ozark, so rewatching it because if you haven't know, it's a really good Netflix show. You should watch it. There's another season coming out. I'm so excited. If you haven't watched it, it's really good. I watched it with my mom, and that show is so like my legs shouldn't get her, but that show is so good. So yeah, I'm gonna put y'all on. Go watch Ozark on Netflix because it's that good. But I'm in the shower now. Hey, let's get out of the shower, and I'm gonna put a nose strip on my nose because I definitely need it, so I'm gonna put that. So I'm definitely gonna put that on because I need to do my nose. So I'm gonna get some of my water and I'm just gonna spray my nose because I don't feel like taking it. So I'm gonna spray my nose. Put this on. Just slide it on.
and just wait for 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the next day, and I forgot to do the outro, so I want to show you my tree real quick, my Easter tree. I don't know if you noticed when I was eating pizza that the Easter tree behind me, and I want to show you how cute it is. We're only just missing the topper, but oh yeah, I still want to show you how cute it is. So let me give you all a full overview. This is what the lights are. So everything we mostly got is from Dollar Tree. And I did the bows, how cute. And then let me show y'all with the tree on. How pretty. I painted those. I did the bunny. I did a lot of DIYs, and then I did the chickie. And then that's how it looks. I think we're just trying to find some bunny ears or something to make the tree completed. But I really like the tree. It's so festive and cute. I think we're just going to leave it up all the way till April because how early Easter is. So, okay, right. Getting her little bed. Oh, because she usually, when she was younger, she'll always tear up her beds. And we're like Miley Ray, and we haven't bought her a bed in forever. But now we bought her one recently, and she's been laying in this. So let me show you real quick. Miley, hi sissy. Probably watch a movie with my mom. TV's going on in the background, but yeah, I'm probably gonna watch a movie with my mom. I'm really excited. Went a little bit of shopping today. Went to get some Easter stuff, and I'm pretty excited to get the pool fixed. We have to go back to the pool place to go get our water tested because still a little bit green in there. Oh, I hate when like the leaves get into my pool because it makes my pool really dirty. And I just like expensive when you have a pool because you buy a lot of chemical stuff to help clean the pool, and just like, you know, it kills me. But I'm very excited this summer coming up. I can bring out my floaties again. I really want to get like a little ball that has lights and I can put in the pool, so like probably like during like when it gets night we can have to light a pool, get more. I want to get like a little basketball thing where you like put the ball in, little hoop in the water. I want to do a lot more things. I saw a cute TikTok to play with like ping pong or cup pong, but not with the alcohol in it, but just like, you know, just to play in the water. I saw on TikTok and I saved it from last year, so maybe I can do it this year, and I'm really excited. So I'm going to end this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, don't forget to watch my recent video, my Shein haul. That is my favorite. I have another video coming out just like Shein. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.